Pandas. Pandas. Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. I'm bye-bye money. Pandas! If you're just joining, make sure you scalp that like button. Drop a GM in the chat if you haven't already. Let's make this the best stream yet. Every stream has a possibility to be the best stream yet. Pandas! Good morning. Welcome to the stream. Thanks for joining. We are already back live at it again. I'm bye-bye money. We are trading the Nascraq live. What's today's plan? The plan is to stick to the plan. Trading pure price action. We want to look at the chart. First, check market cycle. If the market cycle is bullish, bearish, trading range. Trade accordingly. Wait for our setups. Second entry longs, fail second entries and fail second entries. OI patterns. What else? Always in long trading on the higher time frames. We got a couple setups we look for. I wish I could trade wedges on the 5-minute, but honestly, wedges are so unreliable to me. I just don't know. I just don't know how good they are. I don't know what to trade them. Wedges. Albrooks love wedges, but I just don't see them. They usually fail for me. I don't know why. Let me say good morning, come on, my pandas. Crimson Demon, good morning, Bobby. Good morning, Rohan. Good morning, Red. Good morning. Pablo Escobar, good morning. Tomorrow's stream, Chris says, tomorrow's stream will be more exciting. I have a feeling that I'm going to win the giveaway. Let's get it. You actually won it before, Crimson, but you weren't there. You disappeared last minute. Pandas, if you guys don't know, tomorrow we'll be doing a giveaway. We have two 50K TPT accounts up for grabs. All you have to do is comment on the video in the pinned message. Comment on the video in the pinned message. That's all you have to do. And just be here tomorrow. Just do what you guys do every day. Just to be there. We're going to try to enter this trade. Second entry long. Pikachu trade off our EMA and trend line here. Beautiful looking trend line. Multiple touches off of it. The signal bar is not good. That's one stinky thing about it. Bad signal bar. Let's see though. A nice push up. Might be a good trade. Could just be a rocket ship going upwards here. And maybe the market open might help me win this trade. Who knows? Pandas. I think the most important thing today though, and every day from moving forward, from here on out, is to stick to my 3-loss differential. That will save me from ruin. Basically save me from that is the most important. You know I can make bamboo. You've seen it time and time again. We've making max day after day after day. It's usually just that one day that takes my counts out. And if I can have something to prevent that from happening, I think we're going to be golden. And the way I'm going to do that is with 3-loss differential. You've seen it with your own eyes. If a panda can do it, surely you can do it. We've made thousands of dollars on stream. I've made over $30,000 with TPT. Whoa. No longer interested in that. The OI pattern on the 2500 tick chart, that just snapped down. Wow. What a move down. The 2500 tick chart was an OI pattern. I wasn't ready for it. Not like that. Jeez, what a push. I'm looking for a fail second entry long now. I feel like if we can get a fail second entry long, we get a decent push down. Coming back to the previous day's close, possibly. Luis, good morning. All you have to do is comment on the video in the pinned message and you are entered into the giveaway. This is the best way to do it. I try to do it with the other thing, like you can do it with the chat messages, but there's like a limit, a time limit, which is it's just terrible. I don't know. I don't like it, and it's just got really weird, got really difficult. So the comment video is the best way to do it. And we have over 50 comments, but pandas, you know what we're gonna do, right? You know what we're gonna do. You know what we're gonna do. We have over 53 participants. But pandas, you have a high chance to make it. You know why? You know why? I'm going to give you hope. Because we're going to have a passcode in the middle of the stream to make sure that people who are entering are actually watching the stream. And if they don't know the passcode, then we're going to move on to the next person. So you know you have a high chance of making bamboo tomorrow. A high chance of making bamboo tomorrow. Very high chance to make bamboo. Very, very high chance to make bamboo here. So you actually got to watch the stream tomorrow. You got to actually watch. Market opening in like 5 seconds. Second entry long, 4-minute, 2500 tick chart. Market's open. Trap triggers. Decent push down. It's too close to the open. I'm just going to let it go by. The 5-minute, we're very close to filling the gap here. You think we'll fill the gap before we move on. You think we'll fill the gap before we move on. That's what you're thinking. That's what you're thinking. Underdog Trader, good morning. Tate, good morning. Yoji, good morning. What's OMG? Bub Stocks, good morning, Sensei. Welcome, welcome. How many counts or winners will be for giveaway 2? Let's just be 1-1. One account each. I mean, it looks okay. Second entry long, 2500 take chart, first push up. Rising 20 EMA. Risk not too terrible. The only thing I'm like worried about is that the gap is gonna fill on the 5-minute chart. This might launch here. Let's see if I can get it. One more pushback down. Nope. I think it's gone. I think that is, we gotta say sayonara to that. See ya. Catch you on the next one. The setup itself is not bad. Good looking signal bar. Good, like, pretty good context, right? Uptrend. Rising 20 EMA, right? 2500 tick charts, second entry long. Everything is aesthetically looks very good about this. The only thing I'm concerned about was a gap filling on the 5-minute chart before we move on. And, it might actually happen. Might get a trap here. I mean, I'll take this trap. It's above the 20, but I'll try. It's a stinker. You know, I'll take the failed trap. High or low? Trap? Ooh, interesting. Break a trend, new low. Or it could just be a bounce off this trend line. Back underneath the 20 EMA. It's a little bit sus in my opinion. It's getting a little bit sus. Lots of overlapping bars. Market's a little bit confused in my opinion. Which way does it want to go? Does it want to break out or does it want to fill the gap beneath before it does anything big? Ooh, trap trade. Trap trade. To the upside. I got to try, right? I got to try with here. Or bouncing. Oh, okay. Okay. Oh, now the risk is huge. I feel like I take a failed trap at this point. Man, this looks like it wants to break out, doesn't it? Doesn't it look like it wants to break out so bad? It looks like it wants to break out. Trap about to trigger 2500 tick chart. 2500 tick chart trap about the triggers. Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. It looks like the gap might fill on the 5-minute chart. Right? 5-minute needs to fill a gap, right? We opened here. We opened here. And we closed here yesterday. So there's a gap here. Right, we still haven't filled it. Lower high here. I think I gotta go short here, pandas. I'm sorry. We're bouncing off our trend line, which is basically a channel. I just need a good entry. Give me a fail second entry long here. Man, should I go with 2? No, I'm gonna be a good little panda. Go with 1. We're gonna show some patience here. We're gonna show some patience here. We'll take on the next reversal down. We're gonna show some patience here, pandas. We're gonna be good little pandas with good risk reward. We're gonna take this trap, fill the gap beneath. I'll make it into a channel just to make it a little more. Give us a little more information down here. Yeah. All right, thoughts and prayers. Thoughts and prayers here. Multiple bounces off our trend line. Multiple bounces off our trend line here. Let's see if we get something good. Okay, we're in. I'm definitely out of this trade if it reverses back up. I am out. We're not going to hold it much longer than this. But just multiple touches off our trend line. Try to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. What accounts am I on? Oh, I see. Fill the gap on the 5-minute. That's what you're thinking. Decent push down. Let's see if we get some follow through. We need some follow through for sure here. I would love some follow through. Okay, that's good. Lower high. Love to fill the gap here, like obvious gap fill in my opinion. I'm going to enter another contract here if this triggers this trap here as well. Will it give it to me though? Okay, fails like entry long. I'm going to enter another contract. It's technically another trade, different trade here. Separate trade. This looks juicy. This is like S tier right here. S tier setup in my opinion right there. Jeez Louise. You gotta try right there, huh? No? You don't you gotta try right there? Let's make some bamboo pandas. I would have a run. I would be more aggressive with my runners, but we still have a static threshold, or we still have a trailing threshold to think about. Let's see if we can make some bamboo though. I'll take the 1 to 2 soon. Alright, I'll take this 1 to 2. Let's even get the 1 to 2 just to protect some profits here. And come out break even, possibly on this trap. Or should I just go for all of it? Alright, we got the 1 to 2. I'll take the 1 to 2. We're going to come break even on this trade here. If we can push down, that'd be great, but it doesn't look like we're getting very far. Oof, so close. So incredibly close, pandas. Okay, we came out break even on the trap. This trap could have made some bamboo, I guess. 1 to 1 was hit on that as well. Overall, 475, not bad. One trade, we're 1-0. Or, yeah, we're 1-0. Because I basically skunked one. I'm happy with that. It's an okay trade. It's not the worst. You know, I was thinking of holding 2 contracts to fill the gap on the 5-minute chart. We're so close to filling that gap. And I'm a little surprised we still haven't filled it. You know, we're so close to it now. There's unfinished business down here. So, I don't know. Maybe I'm still going to go short. We're still bouncing off our channel here. Maybe looking for another short opportunity if I can get one. Okay. Massive bull bars here, though. I got to try again. Unfortunately, I'm going to try again here.
2,500.
It's outside bar reversals. Stanky. That's a stanky trade, but another push down to try to fill this gap. I'm going to try. And then I will just exit here if I don't make it. I should have maybe waited. Like, the outside bar reversal is a bad setup because it shows that we're choppy. But I was a little bit eager there. Yeah, looks like I'm going to lose this trade, unfortunately. Those outside bar reversals, I gotta be careful of the outside bar reversals, huh? I'm usually good about skipping them, but lately I've just been taking them, and I've been punished. But every time I skipped them before, they were like, ooh, push down. Regardless, I would have been in this trade now. So here is my stop loss is still the same. I mean, if it reverses back up, it is what it is. Like, we're not gonna fill the gap. That's it. It's all good. I mean, you gotta just give up. You gotta give up here, in my opinion. You gotta give up here. Yeah, this is gonna blast off. Right. We're 1 and 1. A decent small risk. I mean, we got the 1 to 2 on this trade, so I have good risk reward right now.
2,500 tick trap.
Okay, interesting. I gave up there, but well, maybe I shouldn't. Another push down off our trend line. Still eager? Am I still eager to go short here? Little bull flag maybe. Push up, bull flag, another push up maybe. But we're bouncing off our trend line here so amazingly. I mean, if we get another failed trap here, I gotta try to go short. I'm sorry. If we get another failed trap, I gotta go short. It's reversing pretty strong. Like, I'm really guiding to go short here. Alright.
5-minute trap.
Sitting on my pause. Sitting on my pause. Could be a really strong push up here. We failed to fill the gap. Sick. Absolutely sick. That is so sick. We failed to fill the gap. Failed to fill the gap. Sick. Alright. Sitting on my pause. Not much trade here. Just watching. So far, price action has been absolutely disgusting. Yeah, see? So much overlap.
2,500 tick trap.
Failed to break out here now. Interesting. I mean, if you want to go short, Yoji, the giveaway is going to be tomorrow. Is that tomorrow? Yes. Absolutely. It's going to be a banger. It's going to be a banger. This price action is terrible. What can I say? No news today. I believe there's no news. We have news. When do we have news this week? We have news on Thursday and Friday. So knowing there's no news today, it might just be a choppy day today. Who knows? I mean, yesterday was pretty choppy. Look at yesterday's price action. Oh, this was yesterday's price action. This is what we had to trade with. That's all we had yesterday. I mean, this is pushing up. It's surely pushing up here. Like bull flag, push up, flag, bull flag. Breaking out now. Do I want to go long there? I mean, I'm glad I just took the hit, but my ultimate mistake was taking the outside bar reversal because I could have taken less risk there if I just was more patient. No matter what though, pandas, we're going to stick to the 3-loss differential. So our big winning days are going to be huge. Our losing days are going to be small. That's what we're aiming for, pandas. That's what we're aiming for. That's what we want. We want our losing days to be small. Teeny weeny. That's what we want. Decent push up, to be honest. Ooh, strong push down. No follow through on the 2,500 tick. Right, strong bull bar ending on its high, and no follow through means bull trap. Am I looking for a short trade? That's the question. Am I looking for a short somewhere here? I don't know. Could be one of those first entries. Okay, push down. I think it is a bull trap. Right, look at the 2,500 tick chart. Strong bull bar, ending on side. No fall. Actually, just reverses completely. Bears are waiting there, just ready to knock it back down. And bulls just all came out with their profits. And what do I do here? Lower high? How eager am I to go short here, pandas? How eager am I to go short? Whoa! I'm going short here. With 2. We're going to fill the gap. We still haven't filled the gap yet. We're going to try to fill the gap now. Whoa! What a push down, pandas. Oh, we're getting punished for trying to go in 2 here. Just fill the gap. That's all I want. Is that too much to ask for? Whoa! Please. Oh my gosh. I think I'm in a bad trade here. I gotta... this is such a strong bull bar ending on its high. Oh my gosh. Why does it do that every time? We're going short here. I don't care. We're losing our minds now. We're absolutely losing our minds. Going short one more time here. I'm trying to fill the gap. Still gap hasn't been filled. If it traps here, so be it. So be it. It is what it is. Oh, it's going to trap. This is absolutely going to just reverse and blow me away. I'm going to let this candle finish, though. Let's let the candle finish. Okay. Okay, fair enough. I lose. I know when to quit. I know when to quit. I mean, that's 1, 2, 3, 4 losses. Right? That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 losses. I mean, we're down 800. Oh, I got to take this short, pandas. I'm sorry. I got to take this short. I'm sorry. I have to try. Oh, wow. Maybe I'm glad I didn't take it. Got to try. Got to try anyways. Last chance to fill this gap. If we don't fill it, I'm dead. I am just smoked here. I am absolutely smoked. If this just flies up now. Is it going to fly up? Are we in a strong uptrend? L4 setup. Am I crushed here? Am I absolutely crushed? I'm crushed. I'm already breaking my rules. This is why I'm losing so much here. I'm like so determined to go short here. And I'm going to get crushed for it, huh? Such a strong push down. You're thinking a little bit of follow through. We're going to take on the L4 here. L4, give me some bamboo on the L4, please. Let's see if we get some bamboo here. If not here, then we are done. We're kaputs. Absolute kaputs here. Another push up. Rocket ship. Gonna break me. Rip my face off. Type situation. Rip my face off type situation here. Just take the hit. Whatever. Man. I mean, you gotta try when you gotta try, right? You got an L4 set up. You got a gap beneath that hasn't filled. You got a strong push down. And now everything here is telling you you're going to get wrecked. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Don't do this to me, please. Don't do this to me, please. Fifth push-up. If it has another push-up, I'm out. I cannot handle a sixth push-up. The sixth push-up. I can't handle a sixth push-up. That's so hard to say. A sixth push-up. Good signal bar to go short here. Let's see if we can make a little bamboo for once in our lives. A little bamboo. Am I just going to have to skunk this? Another push-up. I'm done. I'm done for. If this pushes up and breaks this high, I'm absolutely smoked here. I'm absolutely smoked here. Okay, that's good. Good for me. If we get a nice push down, I'm going to come out break even here. Hopefully we can make a little bit of bamboo. Hopefully it doesn't snap back up for no reason. Give me a little bit of bamboo, please. I took so much risk here. Let me a little bamboo, please. Just a little teeny bit of bamboo. Fill the gap. Fill the gap. Fill the gap. All right. Okay, we're making a little bit of bamboo now. Making a little bit of bamboo. We got our runner here now. Let's see how far this runner goes. How low can you go? How low can you go? Pandas! Let's get that. We fill the gap. I think we're going to go more than fill the gap now. Because we had a fake out filling the gap. I think we're going to go way more than fill the gap now. Way, way, way more. How low can you go? How low can you go? Give me some pivots to work with. Please don't just snap all the way back up because that's super annoying. Give me at least one pivot to work with so I can swing this. Like, give me the runner to swing one time in my life. Just one time, please. I just hate it when it just smashes all the way back up. So you just can't even have any chance of a runner here. Looks like I'm going to have no runner. It's going to just swing all the way back up. That's the nature of the markets these days. Just super choppy. Does nothing. Give me a runner, please. One runner, one runner. Come on. Come on, you can do it. One runner. Give me that one runner, please. Okay, it's not pushing down. I don't have a pivot to work with. I'll move my stop loss if we break this low. But we got to break this low first. I'll move my stop loss if we break this low. Once we break this low, I'll move it to this pivot. But otherwise, I'm keeping it here. And then we'll just lose this. We'll just lose all this money. Got a second entry short, good for me. I'm not going to enter again here just because it's not off any type of like resistance really. It's floating in there. Okay, outside bar reversal. We still haven't broken this low yet. We got to break this low in order for me to move my stop loss to here. I'm going to just trail it to each pivot. I cannot move it to the pivot until we break the previous pivot low.
500 tick trap.
Like here's a pivot low. Like unless we break this low, we still haven't made lower lows and lower highs yet. We got to break this low first. Then we're talking, right, Pandas? Then we're talking. Seriously. Okay, second just short here. Kind of lots of overlapping bars now. We have a serious push down here. Give me that serious push down, please. One time. One time. Serious push down. Still haven't pushed down seriously. It's just going sideways. Absolutely. Always does this nonsense. Whenever we decide to jump in a trade, it does this nonsense forever. Now it's reversing back up. Hopefully our trend line protects us. Hopefully we don't get stopped out. Like we couldn't make a new low. So this is why. This is like the downtrend's done. Like I'm trying to get a runner with a downtrend, but basically just reverses immediately. It's not much you can do about it, right? I tried to, I mean, it's just a runner. What can I say? Just have a runner. We just treat runners this way. And if our runners don't run, so be it. If our runners don't run, so be it. Okay, we're bouncing off our trend line. It's good news for us. Hopefully it stays. Hopefully it stays here. Hopefully we get a nice push down. It's a good signal bar for us. Coming off our resistance. Higher low would be stinky here. Man, we really just cannot catch a break on any runners, huh? Like such a strong push down and just reverses straight up. Give me one runner, please. Need some content. Come on, you can do it. It's doing a lot of nonsense, but we're still safe. We're underneath our channel, right? Top of our channel. We still have some space here. Like, is it going to be one of those takes my runners out and then goes the way I want it to go? It's going to be like perfect. One of those perfect things like that. It's going to tick shot me. This is going to tick shot me. Whoa! Tick shot. Oh, boy. You know what? If I survive this, wow. Whoa. Whoa! Penis! Oh, no. Okay. He's coming back up. I thought we survived that. I really thought we survived that. Oh, my goodness. It's going to take me out now. Wow. That was so close. That was so close. The thing is, I moved it one tick up higher And I thought that one tick saved me. Man, Pandas, like how annoying is this price action? Like we cannot get any runners. The moment we get even a slight chance of a runner, it just does this nasty reversal. Just so sick. So sick. Just does this nonsense forever, reverses back up. I mean, that's the price action we've had in the yesterday and today. It's not much difference. Pretty terrible today, too. What can I say? All right. I mean, it is what it is. What can you do about it? I'm not going to manage my runner any other way. It's just how it is. I broke all my rules there, but we're 5-5. I went in 4 contracts there. And definitely took way too much risk. But we're 5-5. We're positive. We're up $155. Mainly because my runner didn't run. If my runner ran, I would have had, I could have, I was thinking of making $1,000 on that trade, but it's all good. All good. This is launching up now. Huh. The 5 minutes just showing you how disgusting we are right now. We basically just filled the gap. We're very choppy and finally filled the gap and bounced off of it. We're basically between the gap or previous day's close and the previous day's high. We're just like
5-minute trap.
Bouncing back and forth in there right now. It looks disgusting, right? You got about like 7 overlapping bars in a row here on the 5-minute chart. I mean, if it's any indication what kind of day it's going to be, then probably trading range day, but I don't know. I don't know. Daily chart, where are we at? We're right pretty much on the 20 MA here. Weekly chart, we have this OI pattern. We still have some room, right? Because a 1-to-1 here brings us all the way up here. So, let me see. What's Tesla up to right now? I'm about to buy some Tesla calls. I think I'm gonna buy some Tesla calls. Short-term calls. Buy some Tesla calls. See if we can get this. Got a trap trade here. I don't like it. I really don't like anything here right now. It feels like a trading range, and I don't want any take any breakout trades until we've clearly gotten outside of this trading range. It feels like I'm just short here though. I'm trying to buy some Tesla calls, but I don't know. Tesla calls. What do I want? Trap does trigger far away from 20 MA. Like, how many times do I skip this trade and it works out, and every time I try, it never works out? I Actually, sometimes I do skip it and it doesn't work out, and I kind of love that. I almost love that as much as making it. Tesla's not going away anywhere, pandas. Tesla's not going anywhere. People love Teslas too much. Tesla's going nowhere. People care too much about the environment. Wow. All right. Okay. Trap, I think, technically fails right there. Actually, no. Double bottom. Double bottom. You're still safe. Snaps down, though. Goes back up. Double bottom on that trap. I just don't like anything here. I just feel like too much of trading range. Too much possibility of a big trading range. Not even that big, but too much possibility of a trading range, in my opinion, here. Which makes me worried to go long at the top of it. Not saying it can't work. Right? It could break out, of course. You just got to have the appropriate risk reward if you want to trade this breakout. But with the price action as I see it, I just feel like if I were to decide, hey, tell me what kind of day it's going to be today. If I had to answer that question, I would say trading range day. Not bull trend, not bear trend. Right now, trading range day. If I had to decide. And so if that's the case, then you got to trade accordingly. You got to trade it as a trading range. So you got to find the revert. Whoa! News at 10. I don't know what news it was, but it just broke out and went right back down. Not sure. Okay. If it's top of a trading range, it could come back all the way back down. We had some sort of news. Something happened. Some news event. It was right at 10 o'clock it happened. Do I want the lower high here? Do I love this lower high? Do I love it? I don't love it. I don't love it. It's okay trade. It's an okay trade. Good signal bar? Maybe I'll be interested. It's a good signal bar. Second inch short would be better here. Second inch short would be better here. Alright. I gotta retrace and just back up to here. It's a small, teeny risk for a potential momentum play here. It's another push down. Especially trading range, potential trading range day like today. This could be a good trade, right? Good risk reward. Right? Am I getting a 1 to 2 here? Got 1 to 2 risk reward here. I mean, that's great if I can get it. 1 to 1 here. I want the 1 to 2 at least for me. I mean, it looks like we're gonna get it pretty easily. Easy peasy. That trade was only worth it because of the retracement I got. I mean, my risk on that trade was 7.75 points. I made 16 points on that trade. I mean, we're talking about 1 to 2 risk rewards here, pandas. 6 and 5. Trap trade here. Just like this trap. I don't know. I guess the bottom of the trading range is in this area. If we had to decide, I would say it's near here. Okay, trap. It's a lot of red bars. There's a lot of bear bars in a row, showing that every single bar, the bears have been in control so far. Retraces back up a little bit, but doesn't get much higher than this breakout area. Could be a decent short trade here. Okay. All right. Maybe not. Setting my pause. Here we go. Every single bar has been controlled by the bears. Just one bull bar. Interesting. You thought that was going to end bullish, but it ends bearish. Right? Every single bar in the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11 bars have been controlled by the bears. About 10 bars in, you're kind of saying, okay, maybe the bears, maybe you'll see a bull bar come in. After 10 bars of one color, typically around a 10th, you're expecting a pullback. Doesn't have to be a deep pullback, but Expecting some sort of pullback here. Ugh. Ugh. Okay. 12 bars, bear bars in a row. 12 bear bars in a row. 12 bear bars in a row. Are we going to get 13 bear bars in a row? Can it happen? It absolutely can happen. Looks like it might actually happen. 13 bear bars in a row or 12 is the max? We got 12 bear bars in a row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Sorry, 13 bear bars in a row. I mean, I mean, I gotta try, right? You got that many bear bars in a row. You gotta think about the bears are still sticking around somewhere. Unless they all left with these 2 bull bars. Is that all you need? 2 bull bars to scare away all the bears? Is that all you need? We'll find out. Okay. Again, today's a day where I don't know if I even want to trade my TPT accounts. It's such a messy day. Such a choppy day. It's like, honestly, like, do you really want to trade days like today? Look at this. Look at me, bull bars, overlapping bear bars. It's disgusting. My 500 tick is so much different than your. All right, let me reload. One, two, three, four, 5 bull bars in a row. What in the world is happening here, pandas? Reloading my historical. Crimson Demon says consumer confidence. All right, I see. Interesting. It's not big. I don't think it was big enough to pass your accounts. Right, you need like a 27-point move past your accounts. It's not a big enough move to have passed your accounts like evals for Apex, but I mean it's a decent move. Okay, so look at this, 13 bear bars in a row, and then it reverses immediately. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bull bars in a row. It's just impossible to predict that, in my opinion. I don't know. Like, was I gonna just buy here? No. Was I gonna buy above this bar? No. Like, why would I do that ever? I never have done that before. There's reasons why. Another trap trade. All these traps look stinky. Another trap trade. I mean, it's just. We're just really trading between the previous day's high, this blue line, and the previous day's close, this red line down here. We're pretty much in that. If I adjust this bottom line, I'll adjust it here like this. This feels like the correct trading range now. This feels right. This feels right. This trading range here. Multiple hits here. Multiple hits here now. Could be a failed trap. Who knows? All I know is that I'm just sitting on my paws. I'm up 475. I'm happy about that today. On a day like today, I'm happy about that. Trap does trigger though. Trap does trigger. What happens here? No one knows. Maybe it comes back to the top of the trading range. Would be my guess. Up here. All right. No clue what's happening. Oh, what a terrible day. Again, another terrible day of price action. Yesterday was terrible. Today's terrible. At least today we're coming out on top. I guess I'm going to sell somewhere close to here. I don't know. Once we get a push up, I'll sell. Okay. Showing bull bar. Ending on its high. It's absolutely no follow through. Whoa. Maybe something like this. I don't know. Could be like a bull flag of some sort here. This is 2500 tick chart. I don't know. Okay. You're thinking it's going to hit the top of the trading range, I guess. Took a long time to get there, but we got there. I mean, we are making higher highs. We're in an expanding pattern. This is why it's so confusing. We're expanding like this. Super trash price action. When you're in expanding pattern, you know the market's confused. Like, it's just, expanding pattern basically just should mean you should turn your charts off. I absolutely hate expanding patterns. Well, maybe today we can take advantage of it. We try to go short somewhere near here. The question is, can we catch this falling knife? Is it called catch a falling knife when you try to short the top? I understand trying to go long at the bottom of a trend is catching a falling knife because it's going down. You're trying to catch it, but is it the same term when you try to short the top? Try to go long the bottom or short the top. Is it both called catching a falling knife, or is it like catching an arrow? How about that? Catching a rocket ship. All right, bouncing out the top of trading range. Like I thought, in the 2500 tick chart. Staying kind of within this channel. So sick. What a push down that was. I don't know. Are we getting back to the bottom trading range is a question. If I have a setup, maybe I'll try. Fail second entry long. Possibly. This looks more like a spike channel. Spike channel, break of the channel here. Maybe come back to test the top of the channel. Like test the tops, test the highs again. Catching a flying knife. Catching a flying knife? That's kind of funny. It's like try to catch a ninja star. Instead of a falling knife, trying to catch a flying knife. It makes more sense. It's a little silly, but it makes more sense. And you know what? And you kind of have like a lot of the same letters. Falling, flying. You got the F in there, you got the L in there, you got the ing in there. You got a lot of the same letters too. Not too shabby. Catching a flying knife. Those kung fu movies, like Between the Fingers. All right, well, what's going on here? Am I going second entry long here? Is that possible? Is that actually a possible long here? I have no clue. There's too much overlap. Too much trading range price action. Big up, big down, big up. Usually means big down? I don't know.
$2,500 tick trap.
2500 tick trap. Triggers the outside bar reversal. It could be a breakout here. It could be a breakout here. Certainly could be a breakout here. Or failed breakout. Sick. So sick. That is so disgusting. We do break trend, make new high. This could be the opportunity to go short. But man, the 5 minute, I mean, look at this 20 EMA. It just looks like it's unstoppable. This uptrend actually looks a little bit unstoppable. When you have like 40,000 overlapping bars in a row like this, it's hard to like decide what you want to do. Okay. My best setup right now is a fail second entry long, in my opinion. I mean, we're bouncing off our trend line, off our first entry, at the very top of a trading range. Not that it can't go up. If it goes up, it could be a breakout, but chances are we bounce here. Or not. Okay, making new highs. Very interesting. Very bullish, maybe. Hard to say still. I mean, the spike in channel is strong. This market has respected it for a while. Pandas, I am perplexed. Toadman, hey Pandas, don't forget, tomorrow we have a giveaway. In order to enter the giveaway, there's a pinned message and there's a video there. You need to comment on that video so you can enter the giveaway, because what I'm going to do is I'm going to pick a random comment from that video to see who wins. And tomorrow, during the stream, we will do the giveaway. I can't say what time we're going to do the giveaway. Most likely at the end of the stream, but throughout the stream I will give out a password. You got to know the password in order to win the giveaway. So I just don't want people to jump in just for the giveaway, right? I want people to actually watch the stream. The part of the giveaway is also to help this channel grow, right? When you get something free, then it's like, oh, okay, then we get some content. So they got a lot of things, that there's a lot of purposes for the giveaway. I mean, the main purpose is to give you guys something nice, right? Give you something free, but it's like a win-win. So that greatly increases your chances of winning, because I can't tell you how many times we've done giveaways and people don't know the password. People don't know the password, and then they can't win the prize. They actually win the actual drawing, but they don't know the password, and because they just joined for the giveaway. They don't actually watch the stream. into our trading range. We make a new high here, continue that expanding pattern. It's a good enough reason for me to go short here, in my opinion. It's good enough reason for me to go short.
2,500 tick trap.
The question is, am I going to get a setup to go short? Is a lower high good enough? Strong bull bar. Maybe short is not the answer. Maybe we're still going long. Like, I usually don't trade counter trend. I don't want to. But when you're in trading range, it's actually what you're looking for. You're trying to trade counter trend. The lower high, is this strong enough for me? The best setup here is obviously the, fail second entry long. I'll draw it out. It's a B, C, right? Two leg a pullback, triggers a second entry, and then that fails and reverses back down. This is your best setup here. If we can get it, how eager am I to go short here is a question. I'm pretty eager, actually. Let's do it. Let's go on the first entry if it closes, if it triggers beneath here. It's actually technically a second entry, but I'm going to treat it as a first entry. And we're going to keep, okay. I'm just eager to go short here because we're top of trading range, showing signs of reversal. Feels like entry long. Might actually come up here anyways. I just like the short here because, I mean, big risk. Should I just have a big risk second entry? Or a big risk and just keep shorting the top of this trading range? Is that what I'm trying to do today? And the only way I lose is if we break out here. Second entry long here, actually going to trigger. Maybe my setup might trigger here. I don't know. Wide stop, trading range price action. Let's see if we can take advantage of this price action here, knowing that we're in big old trading ranges. I typically don't scale in like this, but I feel like I have to on a day like today because of how strong this trading range is. Spiking channel to the top of the trading range. OI pattern. It might actually give my setup a fail second entry long. OI pattern might break to the downside. That could be enough momentum for me to hold this trade. Might be enough momentum to go to the bottom. Looks like I'm going to actually get my setup that I was hoping for. Second entry long does trigger. And I'll probably scale in one time actually to go short. Okay. Probably have to scale in at least one time here. Way up here, scale in one time. Strong bear bar here. Ugh, doji bar. I'll scale in one time to go short. And that scaling will probably just come up break even if I can. Wide stop. See, the problem is about scaling it on like trading ranges is that you have to have a wide stop. But the problem is that if you have a wide stop in a trading range, like if you're near the top and you have a wide stop, the problem is that you can actually get hit with your wide stop because it can break out. So this is why I don't like trading ranges. I just don't think the probabilities and the risk reward are there for me. It's just overall just bad trading. Bad EV. Okay. Still confused. Still don't know what's happening. Still nasty price action. Don't mind that sound in the background. It's just heavenly. I know it's a heavenly sound. I don't know what to do here. Should I cut my losses? Since it's so choppy, I still think I have a chance. Because it's choppy, I think I have a chance still. Like, what is going on here? I'll tell you what, though. I should definitely not have gone that lower high. It was not worth it. Maybe scale in with this push down. We're below the 20 EMA, which I hate. I'm okay without scaling in here. Maybe I've seen enough. You're this many bars in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 bars in. And what are we waiting for here, actually? This looks like it wants to blast off now. Does it look super bullish? We haven't reversed yet. Maybe setting up for a double top. Everything about this seems bullish now. Looks like it's about to break out. Because I'm in a short trade, I become the expert bull. Don't you know? Don't you hate that? Baby Panda's tilted. Absolutely. Tilted out of its mind. Oh. I don't know. Do I want to FAFO here? I don't know if I want to FAFO. I don't know if I want to FAFO here. I'm not going to FAFO. I'm just going to take the hit. I don't know what's happening here. I'll just take the hit, Pandas. Like, I don't know what's happening. If it does reverse here, so be it. I mean, it's just disgusting price action. Like, what was I even thinking? What was I even thinking? I don't want to FAFO here. 6 and 6. Pretty much break even day today. Being 6 and 6. I mean, that was a pretty big loss, right? How many points was that? 16-point loss. So unnecessary. I took that lower high, got so eager. If I just had waited for my setup, then I would have never been in that situation in the first place. Okay. Maybe I should have got out. I don't know. This many bars in a row. Jamil says I'm breaking up with the NQ. I'm going gold. Good luck. I'm curious to how that goes. I'm curious to how that goes. Let me know. You know what? Gold might be worth trading now because this price action is so bad. We have to trade like an entirely different instrument. Like can't trade an ES because there, ES, Russell, Dow. These are all very closely related. I think you pretty much get the same type of movements on all of them. But if you get something like gold, completely different price. Oh, I keep doing the 500 tick on gold. 500 tick on gold is actually not bad. Oh, gold showing a trap here. Previous day's high. Oh, maybe. Let's try to go short on gold. Let's see what happens. How slow is gold, though, is the question. Like, how slow is gold? Oh, my gosh. Forget it. Wow, the Nas. I should have FAFO'd. I should have ultimately FAFO'd there. What in the world? The 5-minute trap. The reason why I didn't want to FAFO because the trap trigger on the 5-minute chart just looked kind of bullish to me. But if I stayed in, I would have been completely fine. Ultimately my analysis was correct. It's just pure price or pure trading range price action. So I could have at least come out break even there instead of being down, instead of losing on that trade. Fails second entry long. Again, same trade. Fails second entry long. Wow, what a big push up. Basically come out break even on that trade. That's all you get here, huh? Wow, this is terrible. This price action is rough. So incredibly disgusting. It's nasty. Jeez. That's gross. That's really gross, Pandas. Lots of overlap. Alright, let's just add. Let's just add a chart here and make it gold. 5 minute on gold. It's not the prettiest, but it works. Okay, we're blasting off. I gotta go long. I feel like we've made a decision what we're gonna do here. Again, expanding pattern, which makes it so difficult because we're at the top of expanding pattern. We can reverse all the way from here. Ultimately glad, I guess I didn't FAFO. I just take the hit. Like I did. Popped off a little bit here. Toman says, Panda, what's the reason of using 500 tick instead of 1500? I don't know if I ever used 1500. Did I use 1500? If I did, I don't remember. I used 500 tick because of the average true range of each candle. I'm basically willing to risk about 10 points per trade, and the 500 tick gives you about 10-point candles. So that I use it. It's purely risk reward. It's purely because of the amount of risk I'm willing to hold. That's why I decided to do the 500 tick. And it creates a lot of opportunity because it's such a small tick frame that you get a lot of trades. You get a lot of setups. So I love it. I actually like the 500 tick a lot. I would say use whatever you're comfortable risking, right? Like if you're comfortable risking 200 ticks, then trade whatever, you know, or 200 points. Trade whatever tick chart you need to trade. But for me, this the 500 tick is good because each candle is about 10 points large, and that's how much I'm really willing to risk here. So, I mean, Panda's like, can we just get one good day of price action, please? This is terrible. Mitch asks, "Hi Panda, why do I not use my trading range?" I do. I use on my other time frames. The 5 minute, right? I still use the trading range. I turn it off for the tick charts because the tick charts actually like it's a little bit it's a lot of processing power for the trading range indicator, right? Basically, the trading range indicator plots every single point and creates trading ranges using all those points. So it actually uses a lot of processing power. So the 5 minute chart's ideal for it because it doesn't have as many candles. So I don't use it for my tick charts, but I use it for my time charts. John Keys, I will be matching all profits Panda makes today. What does that mean? Are you doing a giveaway? John Q doing a giveaway for us. Don't forget, Pandas, to sign up for the giveaway, you got to comment on the video that's in the pinned message. We have a giveaway tomorrow. We have a special stream tomorrow. It's going to be a giveaway. I'm giving away two 50K TPT accounts. The value is $119 on each of them. So the whole value altogether is, what, $238 for you guys. What a great deal. Amazing deal. Giving it to you guys away for free. So sick. So sick. All right, what's going on here? Feels like entry long. That's what I'm looking for. Doesn't give me any type of setup here. That's the thing also. You're not even getting setups. And when you do, they don't work. Jeez. Give me a setup. Just strong bear bar. Ooh. But I learned my lesson, right? I didn't wait for my setup here. I paid the price. I'm going to be really patient here. Wait for my setup. And let's go for it, Pandas. Let's go for it. Give me a good trade here. Give me something good to eat. Come on. You can do it. Give me trigger the second entry long. A, B, C. Second entry long. I need you to trigger that second entry long so I can trade the trap afterwards. And it looks like it's going to break away. It's a darn shame. There's not much you can do about it. Like, I'm not going to be mad waiting for my setup. I'm not going to be mad missing a trade because I waited for my setup and didn't come. Like, if anything, I should be quite proud of myself for that. No? Isn't that like a good thing? Isn't that showing good trading patterns here? Good trading habits? Isn't that a good thing, Pandas? Even though you missed a trade, you're okay because your setup never happened.
2500 tick trap.
Alright, Pandas. I mean, this is it. Like, A tier setup here. Coming off the top of a expanding pattern in a super choppy price action. Most likely, I'm looking for a reversal in this area. And we get a trap trade here, pretty much close to our 20 EMA. I'm going for it. I'm absolutely going for it here. I'm being a little naughty about trading 2 contracts. Just a little bit naughty. Little naughty trading 2 contracts. Don't tell anyone. The main reason is because I potentially have a huge runner here. Right? If we get back to the bottom of the trading range or bottom of the expanding pattern, we have a huge runner, and I want to capitalize on that if we can get it. It's a terrible signal bar for my setup. Fails like entry long is what I'm looking for. It's a terrible signal bar for it. V bottom here. Am I trying to go? I'm trying to counter trend on a day like today because of the choppy price action. I can't take this trap anymore, right? Because we're above the 20 MA. It's a darn shame. What a bounce. What a bounce it had. What a bounce it had. Like V bottom, basically. I mean, in an uptrend, it makes sense, right? We have an uptrend, you have a V bottom during an uptrend. That's actually nice. It's actually a good thing. Give me a good look, Panda. I'll let you know how trading goal is. Please let me know. I'm very curious. Here's a gold chart for you. For the gold heads. It doesn't look particularly exciting either. So, I don't know. Pandas, don't forget to use code BBM. 80% off Apex. And you get a special deal on the 250K, 300K accounts. $33, only $33 for those evals, and $85 activation fees for those. And you get a very simple promo for TPT, Take Profit Trader, 30% off. TPT, no activation fee. Again, today, I'm not going to even trade my TPT accounts because the price action is absolute trash. Like, if I had a choice to trade today, I would just not trade because the price action is absolute just garbage. So knowing that, I'm not going to trade my TBT accounts because TBT, like, you're looking for pure S tier setups. That's it, because you're going all in on one trade. I mean, that's what I'm doing at least. Might as well try to waterfall. They don't have any consistency rules. You got to take advantage of the fact they don't have consistency rules. In my opinion, that's the best thing to do, but who knows? Wow, what a pushback up. Just a V bottom. It's just disgusting price action. I mean, I just have nothing to say here. It's just pure torture, let's just say that. No setups. Just grinds down, grinds up. Big part of trading is just knowing to sit on your paws. That's probably the hardest thing to do. Right, Pandas? Isn't the hardest thing to do sit on your paws when it comes to trading? Isn't that the weirdest thing? The hardest thing to do in trading is do nothing. That's the hardest part. I thought potentially we had a nice bounce off the top of this expanding pattern. Again, that's why expanding patterns are difficult because You have such a strong move up to the top of it, and in order to break out of it, you have to have even a stronger move after a strong move. It's just such a crazy. It's just such a terrible, terrible like price action, price action pattern. I don't know. I hate them. I hate them. Basically, I had an expanding pattern here. The 5 minute looks disgusting, right? This is your price action. The 5 minute charts, completely overlapping bars. What is that telling us, though? Telling us both bulls and bears are making money here. If that's the case, I mean, you kind of want to be in a place where either bears stop making money or bulls stop making money. Then you kind of have a better idea of what direction to go. But if you look at the chart and both bulls and bears are making money, it's like it's so confusing. Maybe it shouldn't be. Maybe I should just go short here. Just go short anywhere near the top. Go long anywhere near the bottom. That's been working so far for a lot of people. High or low? High or low, not good enough for anything here. Trap trades, absolutely overextended. So sick. Don't know what to do here. Just watching and watching this slowly grind up to oblivion. And I got nothing. I'm at 145, and I don't know if I'm going to make any more money today. Um, Being at 145 is not the worst. Green is green. On a day like today, I mean, not too shabby, I guess. Kind of made some dumb mistakes, though, to be honest. Okay. Trap this trigger, but I don't think I can just take it here. Just simply can't take it here. Could be a really good trap, but I just cannot take it. Okay, could be a decent move up. Okay. I guess the trap was a good trade. Not a trap I typically like to take. This is just incomprehensible price action. Wow. How painful. Just watching this go up. I guess it's breaking out. It's clear to say. 5 minute. Oh, sorry, this is the gold. Gold looks bullish. Two bull bars in a row. Maybe worth just going long. Always in long maybe here, right? Always in long technically here. At the close of this bar, just got bought up. At the close of this bar, got bought up. No clue. Interesting. Strong bull bar ending on its high 5 minute chart. Let's just go long. Let's go long. Any pullback here? No clue. Untradeable for me. This is untradeable for me. What am I supposed to do? Your guess is good as mine, pandas. I'm just sitting on my paws. At least why do you like the 50K more than 25K? It's double the profit target for 500 more DD. I don't know, I'm just more comfortable with the 50K counts. I didn't look too deeply into it. I just kind of like carried over the fact that 50K counts are usually the most popular in any circumstance, like any prop firm, especially with Apex. But you know, it's a good question. I should look at all the counts. Also, I'd like to have more contracts to trade, so you get more leverage. How many contracts can you trade with the 25K? How many contracts can you trade with a 25K account? Let's see. 3 contracts, half the contract sizes. So, yeah, I like the 6 contracts. I mean, small pullback. First entry here. Keeps going up. Keeps floating upwards. What can I say? If it floats, it floats. I still don't think I have an entry here. I don't think I have anything good. Even if I draw a trend line, like where's my trend line? Where would I really draw my trend line? Like I don't really have a trend line to even draw to see if it bounces off our trend lines here. Maybe this? I don't know. And if that's the case, we broke the trend line. Man, as I am lost here. But this goes to show, really, if it starts to trend, you just really have no idea how high it can go. Because the Panda used to trade 300K accounts. I'm not sure how many of you guys were there, but I traded live 24/7 until I passed a 300K eval. That was a 20K profit. You need a 20K profit in order to do that. And I traded it live until I passed 24/7. Every trade was recorded or was streamed. Never turned off my computer, never turned off the stream. until I pass the 300K accounts, 300K eval, 20K profits. 250K or 300K better? I think 250K is better, to be honest. It's just the 300K is such a high like amount that you need to withdraw, and the amount of contracts you can trade with 250K versus 300K, like when it comes down to it, like you can't really trade that many contracts because you have that consistency rule. Unless you consistently trade high amounts of contracts, that's fine then. But most people don't. You know, most people trade high contracts when they have like a when they have a Hail Mary that they have to like bring their accounts back to life. That's usually when they usually go like super high contracts. And that's a big no-no in Apex. They'll flag that for sure. Second entry long, first second entry long we've seen in about 5,000 days. Let's see. Let's just take it. You know, let's just take it for funsies. That's what trading has become for me. Let's just take it because we are just absolutely bored out of our minds. Taking this for funsies here.
$2,500 tick trap.
Small risk. Whatever. I mean, give me a new high at least. I don't know. Traps me out. Whatever. Takes me out. I mean, it's just the worst day of trading. I don't even care. I don't care I lose that trade. Like, seriously. Like, I'm not going to take the reversal here either. It's such a grind up. Fail trap. Probably works out here. I mean, I guess I gotta take this fail trap now. Whatever. Taking this for funsies. Not a good reaction, to be honest. Basically taking the exact same trade again. And let's see if we get a runner here. It's a second entry long, whatever. I mean, it's a third entry at this point, but failed trap. You know, high chance to make a new high here. Decent risk reward. We might hit this. Looks like we might hit it. Good chance we hit it here. It looks pretty good. It looks decent. It can reverse and rip my face off. Sure. Like any other trade, it can do that. And it might do so. It just might do it. Sure, why not? Rip my face off here. Okay, look for a 1 to 2 if we can get it. Keep a little more juice in there, please. I know you got a little more juice in there. Give me a little more juice. Maybe not. Maybe not. I'll take it on the next reversal. If it reverses, I'll take it. Let's just protect the profits here on next reversal down. Either hits a 1 to 2 or takes a first reversal and take it out. Or I just protect my profits like this. Whatever. It's a break-even day today essentially. But we can make the break-even day potential to a nice trading day if we can get this 1 to 2 here. First decent trade of the day. And it comes after a loss. And now it's reversing. It's probably take me a break-even. Probably take me out break-even here. It's big time choppiness. I hate days like today. I mean, I don't know why I'm trading. I really don't know why I'm trading. This is so terrible. This price action is so bad. I mean, I don't even know why I'm trying here. Like, why am I even trying to trade this? I don't understand. It's just such bad price action. Like, I'm done. I'm done. Like, I'm barely red today, but it feels like I lost $1 bajillion. Like, my mental capital is absolutely drained. It's just such bad price action. So terrible. I've been hating the last like 4 or 5 days. Like, it's just been like this. So terrible, pandas. I cannot tell you how bad these days are right now, and it's just so frustrating. I cannot do anything. I simply cannot do anything here. I can't. I can't. I just it's so frustrating. I mean, you're just terrible. Terrible. We're 6 and 8, down 135. I was up a little bit here, but I was looking for the 1 to 2, and it never gets there. I was looking for the 1 to 2. What can I say? I wanted the 1 to 2. I mean, we're almost there, so I mean, we could try. Like, look at the 2500 tick chart. It's just we had this strong bull bar ending on its high. I was thinking, okay, maybe we can get a little further push out. It just reverses. Just completely reverses here. Complete limit order market. It's just not enough volume today. Just not enough volatility. Just not enough conviction in any way. Just making this very difficult to do any type of swing trading. I don't know.
5-minute trap.
Still above the 20 minute here. I don't know. I can't. Can't. It might be one of those takes you out, break even, and then goes the way you want to go. Right? Like I entered here, comes out to that area again, and then goes the way you want to go. It could easily be that. Sure, why not? Coming back to retest the breakout areas. Does that all the time in trading. Want it to swing. I guess the only way to win these trades is if I just hold through till the whole swing is done. Makes a 1-to-1 again. Really good for the bulls here. Just want to see this through. See if it hits the 1-to-2. The only reason why I lost that trade is because I came out break even. I'm trying to figure out if that's the case. What I'm thinking is what bulls are doing is that they're coming out 1-to-1 here. And what happens when they come back to the area where they fill again? They just rebuy and then hold the same risk. Now they have a quote unquote free trade. You know what I mean, pandas? It's like quote unquote free because they made the money and now they're going to enter again to see if they can make even. They can double it up. So I'm thinking is happening with trades like this. I could be completely wrong. But essentially, if they lose this trade, it's like, okay, I mean, they don't really lose too much. Like, what are they really losing if they lose this? They just come out break even altogether. That's what I think is happening. I could be wrong. I probably am wrong, but see these traders, they came out 1-to-1, and then they came out 1-to-1 again, double their profits. And they keep doing it. Just keep scalping back and forth, back and forth. Mitch Lawton, are you on 0624? You gotta make sure you rolled over. Or sorry, 0625. Make sure you rolled over. Whatever, I'm going short here. Give me a feel second trade long, go short. Sick and tired of this nonsense. I'm on 625. Then I don't know. Not quite sure then. I don't think I can answer that question. I don't know. Feels like entry long here, maybe. Decent trade. I don't know. Basically, the expanding pattern. Last trade of the stream. Here we go. It's going to be disgusting. It's going to take me out right away, I'm pretty sure. It's outside bar reversal. Wasn't patient. It's going to bounce all the way back up. Yep. Yep. Bounces all the way back up. takes me out, and then pushes back down. Yep. Why am I even trading today? Why am I still trading this chart? Why am I still trading right now, pandas? Like, can someone explain to me why am I purposely torturing myself right now on a day like today? Failed outside bar reversal. Just rips my face up, bounces up.
2500 tick trap.
Why am I torturing myself right now, pandas? One more trade for the stream, and we are absolutely done. Like, we are just kaputs. One more trade, we're done. I can't handle this torture anymore. We're down 395. It's like, I guess a good thing about days like today is that the candles are so small that the risk is not bad. Like, if I lose a trade, I don't lose that much. I'm not losing that much money. Like, how much money did I lose here? I lost like $230 on that trade, like whatever. Jeez. It's absolute trash.
5-minute trap.
2500 tick trap.
Ooh. Okay. I don't think I can go short here. Bounce off. Basically retested this area. Bouncing off of it. Too much noise. What's going on? Trading range. Brace to the bottom. Back to the top. Okay. I got one more trade in me, pandas. I got absolute one more trade in me. Can we make something amazing from it? We got one more trade here, pandas. And I already broken my 3-loss differential rule, which is already a big L for me. We're 4-loss differential now, and we're... Pandas, this is it. This is the last trade of the stream. We're absolutely going for it here. And I have no idea what it is that we're going for. I guess a 1-to-1 at least. We're going for a 1-to-1 here. And I don't even know if we can make the 1-to-1. I don't even know if it's possible. It looks like it's not. Strong bull bar, ending outside, beautiful signal bar. Higher low, bottom of trading range. Hopefully get back to the top of trading range. That's what I'm seeing here. And I'm sticking to it, pandas. And I'm absolutely sticking to it. It's not looking pretty. It reverses. It's already reversing. Whoa. Should I go long again? I don't think I can on a day like today. I think that's it. That's my max. This is my max I'm willing to take. 2 contracts here. Okay. Okay. If we reverse here one more time, I mean, that's a good sign, right? That's a good sign for me to go long. All right, too late. Outside bar reversal. Looks like a decent long trade. I'm already 2 contracts in. I'll just take out 2 contracts. Should I have a runner? I don't think I should even have a runner. Okay, we'll have a runner. See what happens. We can't even make a 1-to-1, which is horrendous here. We need to make a 1-to-1 to make this at all worth it. We're having a hard time making a 1-to-1 here. I mean, at this point, might as well shoot for the stars. We're going to shoot for the stars. In it to win it here. 1-to-1 is made. Hopefully a 1-to-2. Looks like it's popping off here a little bit. All right. I say I protected some bamboo there. I'm happy with protecting a little bit of bamboo because I already know today's filled with wackiness. I just have a dream right now with this runner. I just have a dream right now with this runner because the price action has been so wacky. Let's see if more wackiness can ensue here. Mitch Lawson says, it says my instrument is not subscribed to real-time data. Are you using TPT? If you're using TPT, then what you have to do is you have to sign the agreements on Tradeovate. There's like there's a knowledge base. Oh, you're not using TPT. You're using Apex. You're using paper trading. Then do you have real-time data? If you don't have real-time data, then you're not gonna get real-time data. What can I say? I'm glad I protected my profits there. We're down 145. That puts me at 7 and 10. Still 3 loss differential. I'll take it. I think I gotta call it there, Pandas. It's just too painful. Like days like today. I've got end of day free. Yeah, that's not gonna give you real time data. That's not gonna give you real time data. If you want real time data, what I would recommend is I have the same error. What? With Apex? Using Ninja? I don't know. That's weird. I would recommend using Apex. Get the cheapest account on Apex and just use that. And just use that for data and license for NinjaTrader. Oh, TPT. Yeah, TPT. Make sure you sign those agreements on Tradeovate. Look up the knowledge base article. I think also on the email it tells you everything you need to do. And if you don't have the data, then contact support for TPT. But yeah, for Mitch, I would recommend just get the cheapest and just trade simulation, right? Like you're paying I don't know, like $20 a month or something, but you get data and you get license for NinjaTrader for free. And that is a great deal. And if you want, you can try to pass your eval. But I would highly recommend trading sim until then. Otherwise, you have to pay the lifetime, trade NinjaTrader license, which is like $1,000. And on top of that, you got to pay like $12 a month for market data. At the end, it's cheaper just to get one of these evals, so you get free data and free licensing. My dumb brain wants me to go into one more trade here. Ninja may be a goner. It was sold to a crypto company. Was it? Wait, let me see. Kraken. Whoa, Kraken to acquire NinjaTrader. Interesting. Huh. I don't know if I like that or not. What does that mean? All right, one more trade for funsies. Okay. There's a triangle here. One more trade for funsies. And hopefully it'll be funsies. Oh, eye pattern. Try to trade this trading range. Try to go short near the top. Okay. Let's get back to the bottom of this trading range if possible. And if not, then we'll pay the price. Maybe a triangle to do a final breakout. Should I reverse this trade? Should I reverse this trade? I don't know if I can reverse this trade. Such nasty price action. I'm just gonna take the hit, move on, next trade. Next day of trading. I'm not gonna trade. This is the last trade today. Just take the hit, move on, whatever. Terrible. What is this? Should break it now. It should break above now. Clearly above the 20 MA. I don't know what's happening here. Salvage my losses. Doesn't even take me out break even. I feel like I gotta go long. If it doesn't take me out break even, it's just looking okay.
Target filled.
Alright, whatever. I'm done. I mean, just absolute trash. Does it actually go down here now? Goodness gracious, whatever. I'm done, pandas. This is not worth trading. It's not worth my time and effort. How much money am I going to really make today? I don't know. It's not worth it. Well, pandas, hopefully tomorrow we have greener pastures ahead of us. And hopefully we can make some bamboo tomorrow. I mean, it's just terrible. But if you have a red day and you're down 135, it's fine. I'm actually a little upset that I went beyond my 3-loss differential. I'm 7-10. I was like 6-10. It's a shame. I gotta really, like, from now on, just it sucks because I gotta trade one contract basically every trade. But I really want runners. I really want runners when I see a good runner. But the price action these days is just not making it worth trading, in my opinion. It's not really making it worth trading. We actually get close to the bottom of this trading range. I don't know. Okay, last trade. This is it. This is absolutely the final trade, final boss here. Feels like I got you long. Does this trade even make sense? I don't even think so. I don't think this trade even makes sense. We're going to do it anyways. Thoughts and prayers. Thoughts and prayers. Ugh.
5-minute trap.
Thoughts and prayers, pandas. Last trade of the stream. Oh, I pattern breaks the upside. Okay. So might just push up. Might be bullish. Might be dumb trying to go short here. Probably is dumb. Feels dumb. Actually triggers a trap. Well, let's make some bamboo today if we can. I have no clue what is happening right now. Breaks my neck, reverses immediately, of course. Days like today, why would I expect anything less? Why would I expect anything less today? Gonna protect my 1-to-1 if I can even get that. And maybe my runner. Okay, give me my 1-to-1, please. Without heartache, please give me my 1-to-1. That's all I asked for. Nothing to lose. Come out break even here. Coming out break even here. Make that 1-to-1, please. It's having a tough time getting to that 1-to-1. Of course it is. Okay, bear bar. Looks good for me. Of course, reverses, breaks my neck, takes me a break even or whatever. I mean, it's just impossible to trade today. It is what it is. All right, pandas. I'll see you guys bright and early tomorrow. Remember, we have the giveaway. Make sure you guys sign up by commenting on the comment video, which is in the pin message. You need to do so. Otherwise, I'm going to do a drawing from those comments. And if you don't want to comment, you're not going to be in the drawing. So, you just got to do it. That's all you got to do. Comment on the video. Hopefully I see you guys tomorrow. It's going to be a banger tomorrow. And hopefully the price action is better tomorrow. It's just a terrible day today. Price action. Just like yesterday. Terrible. But the best part is, pandas, we're only down 125 on these terrible days. And we have really terrible days like this, and you're only down 125. That's a plus for me. I would take that any day. On really bad days, if I'm only down 125, that makes me really happy. I think at the end, that's a plus. And so be it. You can't win every single day, and when you lose, you want to lose small like we did today. So, pandas, I'll see you guys tomorrow. As always, happy trading, God bless. Bye.